What's up guys, Rob from showingmotorparts.com here with a quick tip on adjusting the steering on your Minn Kota Ultrex. There's several components that control the steering on your Minn Kota Ultrex. One of them that is adjustable is the steering cables. On the front side of your foot pedal, underneath the cable cover, you'll see a 1/4-20 bolt with a number 3 Phillips head on it. This is the bolt for adjusting the tension of your steering cables. Loosening this bolt will make your foot pedal easier to turn, and tightening it will stiffen your pedal up. You can adjust this to get your pedal to the desired tension. It's important not to loosen it too much to where it falls off of the wrap drum or the pulley, and it's also important not to tighten it too much, causing the cable to break. The responsiveness of your steering is controlled by a couple of magnets inside your foot pedal, along with your steering sensor board. There is an 1/8 inch hex head set screw underneath the top plate of your foot pedal that controls your free play. To test the free play, you'll power your motor on and put it in the deployed position. Once it's in the deployed position, you can test steer your motor back and forth using just your fingertips. There should be no more than a 1/16 inch of play in either direction. If there is, you can increase the sensitivity by tightening this set screw 1/8 of a turn at a time. It's extremely important though not to over tighten this set screw, as it can cause permanent damage to the electrical components of the motor. So I hope that helps with adjusting the steering on your Minn Kota Ultrex. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our other quick tip videos. As always, thanks for watching and keep trolling.